iDog has introduced an automatic dog ball launcher for dogs of all sizes, which is very unique. The design, performance, and features of the iDog ball thrower are quite impressive. The branding and packaging design is excellent so that the contents inside the box are protected during the shipping process. The box consists of AC power supply, iDog Mate ball launcher, 3 dog tennis balls, 3 extra screws, remote control, and instructions. The bright green color palette on top of the white makes it stand out from the crowd. There are 2 versions available: large, Midi, and small, Mini, versions for large and small dogs respectively. The distance can be adjusted with the remote control. It has everything you need in order to keep your dog busy for hours on end. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video.